Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I would like to speak to you today about the Egyptian Society of Cardiology Mentorship Program over the next 10 minutes. Software solution that will help you in this program. This presentation has been done by me and Professor Mona Youssef as a collaborator for the mentorship program. I would like to start first by the aim of the project, and our aim is very clear. We want to provide a framework for training of lifelong learning of cardiologists and all its subspecialty. We also want to help a candidate to pass the European Society of General Cardiology exam. This is our aim, and we also realize that there is a changes in the teaching modality. We used to have teaching classes face-to-face. Due to the online teaching tools that is found available over the internet, we would like to use them in giving a better teaching to our students. That is why we hope that the teaching platform will be teacher-student internet in between, and hopefully we can do all the face-to-face contribution as before. Tools that teachers need basically are 6 tools. You need tools to have sharing content with your student, to have live recorded lectures and session and live in a box, to have collaboration with your student, to have assignment, questions and tasks to be performed, and assessing the student performance, which is a bit tricky. And also you need whiteboard teaching material. So I have collected what is available and what we recommend you to use. These are the tools that you need as a teacher on the left hand side column. Now the software available for these are the one on the middle column. The one on the right column, which is most important, are the one that we are going to use. And notice that all of them are free of charge, and they are basically for software, not more. All of them are free of charge. All what you need to do is to have a free account as a teacher in Edmodo, and this is the logo for Edmodo. Have a free account on YouTube, have a free account on Zoom, and have a free account on Mendeley for sharing papers, and have a free account of Google with 15 gigabytes of Google Drive, which is useful tool. And also we use Outlook account in order to use the facility for Microsoft Office. These are the tools that will help you. All of them are free. Course instruction. There is one group in Edmodo which will have all of us, which is Egyptian Society of Cardiology Mentorship Program. We are now about 50 professors and writers in this group. Each group is divided into writers and peer reviewers as a subgroup. These are the one big group which will have all of us communicating. Communication within Edmodo is perfect, a lot better than WhatsApp, because you can direct your message into one person, into subgroup, or the whole group, and no need for confusion for the rest of the group. As I said, it's only one group which is divided into about 80 subgroup. Each group is responsible for a chapter to write down. And we mean by writing is to write 20 cases of MCQ related to that chapter to help a student to understand and to pass the exam, which is basically an MCQ exam. Remember that this is the first ever Egyptian Society of Cardiology manual since 1951. Let us make it more than perfect and leave a tough legacy for the next generation to come. How to use whiteboard teaching using a facility of Zoom. You can arrange for a meeting and you can have your class about 50 at certain time, and you can have whiteboard teaching. All what you need to do, have a Zoom account, sit in front of your PC and send the meeting code to your student to join you at a specific time. Then start sharing the screen with the student, and then teaching will start. Both video and voice conversation are available, and you and the student can write simultaneously on the same whiteboard. I have tried to have an example here, and
I would
this
like
is
to
an
start
example
with this.
which I was
Bismillah
giving a teaching course about
ar-Rahman
carotid and antiplatelet therapy.
ar-Rahim. And let us start our first topic, which will speak about anti-platelet therapy in carotid artery disease, which can be classified into asymptomatic group and the second group of carotid artery stenting, and the third group of carotid endarterectomy. These are the three groups, and let us classify here into the first month, into the rest until first year, and more than 1 year. What you are going to give to asymptomatic patient the first month? Is it either single antiplatelet or double antiplatelet? What about carotid artery stenting? Are you going to use single antiplatelet therapy or double antiplatelet therapy? And what about carotid endarterectomy? And in each one of them, tell me the evidence. What is the evidence, the strength that you have for this?
You can see this is an example of how we can do a whiteboard communication. All what you need to do for this program is to have a few hours per week dedicated for the project. I recommend 10 hours per week. Have your computer and teaching material with you. See assigned chapter for you to write down with your peer reviewer and connect with them in the subgroup. Collect all relevant material and put it in the library for your student. Prepare 20 to 25 questions per single hour of teaching per talk. And put everything in one basket in Modo class. And submit this for the peer reviewer and to Professor Mona before 1st of January 2018. That is all. Thank you very much. Wish you a nice time.